Hi guys, welcome to Horangis Podcast. I'm Jesslyn, your host who will guide today's podcast. And today I've invited two guests who will accompany us. And this is Emia. Hi Emia. Hi Sharon.
Hi.
How are you guys today?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for inviting me.
No problem. How
I'm
about Sharon?
fine. So glad to be here.
Glad to hear that too. So let's start discuss the Sigale Gale statue. I've seen it before on social media and it's said to be able to dance on its own. Emia, what do you think about this? Because I've heard before that you come from Sumatra.
Yes, that's right. I'm from Sumatra, but from a different area. However, I've heard the story before, and I think it's interesting and spooky to share with you guys.
Oh, yes.
From a cultural perspective, it's more about symbolism and community beliefs. However, there are stories from people who claim to have seen the statue move on its own, especially if it's not treated with respect in rituals.
I see.
So, do you guys believe that Sigale Gale statue really comes to life because of the spirit inside, or is it just for entertainment and fun?
For me, I believe it because Indonesia is rich in mystical stories. It's possible that it's true. It reminds me of the proverb or phrase, wherever you step, that's where you look up to. Di mana bumi dipijak, di situ langit dijunjung.
Me too, that's creepy, but it also shows how rich Indonesian culture is, with many unique beliefs and stories to share.
Yeah, I fully agree with you. And Emia, could you please tell us the full story about Sigale Gale statue?
Yeah, the Sigale Gale statue originates from Tomok village, Samosir Island, North Sumatra. According to local people, the statue comes from a folk talk about Raja Jahat atau the Evil King dan anaknya namanya Manggale. Once there was war, they met the Evil King ordered his beloved son Manggale to lead the war. But unfortunately, Manggale never returned. This incident made the Evil King sick, and he ordered a shaman named Sibaso to heal him. However, Sibaso suggests making a replica statue that resembles Manggale and naming it Sigale Gale. The statue is used as a medium to calm Manggale's spirit with music, and when the spirit enters the statue, it will dance. Now, the Sigale Gale statue is often used as a symbol of death by local people.
Oh, I see. So it's like some kind of a folk tale. But has anyone really seen the statue actually really dance?
I don't know about it, but I have read or watched the video. Someone thought the Sigale Gale statue is only moved when it moves, and other believe that it moved by the spirit of the desert.
Oh, I see. Yes. I think.
So guys, do you want to know an interesting fact about the Sigale Gale statue?
Sure.
Of course, especially if there's a story that people don't know yet. What's the interesting fact?
Okay, the uniqueness of the Sigale Gale statue is in its tradition of being played with gondang music and torture dance during the Papurpur Sapata ritual. This traditional ritual is usually performed when there's news of death. The statue characteristic movement is when its hands cover its chest and move up down repeatedly.
Wow, that's really cool.
Oh, I've read about that too. It said that
Yes, what is it?
It said that if someone plays with the statue without permission or without the proper ritual, strange things can happen. For example, the sound of gamelan music can be heard suddenly, or the statue appears to move on its own.
Oh, that's really spooky. We should be really careful when dealing with local culture and always show respect. Okay, well, I guess we should really respect the rules set by local people. Respect is really important, guys.
Yes, that's true. I agree with that.
Well, it seems like we've learned a lot about this Sigale Gale statue today. Do Emia and Sharon have anything else to add? Sharon, maybe?
The story of Sigale Gale is not only mystical but also philosophical. No wonder many tourists are interested in visiting Samosir to see the performance. For those who are curious, you can visit North Sumatra to see more unique cultural attractions.
Yeah, guys, you should visit Sumatra.
Anything else, Emilia? Maybe you want to add something?
No,
No?
thank you.
No. Okay, guys. If you really want to visit Sumatra, you can visit the official account, traveler account. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for attending today's podcast. We got a lot of good information today, and I guess it's time for us to say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Have a pleasant day, guys. You too, guys. Have a nice day.
Yeah,
Goodbye.
Bye.